horse lives here. The horse says neigh, 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 neigh. Curly, curly, that's my style, do you see? Yes, I see. Curly, curly, that's my style, let it be. Let it be. Curly, curly, oh how lovely, I like it very dearly. Curly, curly, yes, that is me. A sheep. Dog.
A dog lives here. The dog says woof, 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 hard.
Shiny, that's my style, do you see?
Yes, I see.
Shiny, shiny, that's my style, let it be.
Let it be.
Shiny, shiny, kind of tricky to keep it sparkling. Shiny, shiny, yes, that is me. A horse!
Cow lives here. The cow says